Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. What have we got for you today? Well, in this little video, Matt here at the Real Toy Shop is going to show you, with no cuts, no edits, just a bit of pure engineering perfection and madness in the speed version. It's a 2020 BMW S1000RR M Sport. It's not the standard RR. This one's got the M package, so we're looking at loads of bits of carbon, including crazy wheels. We've got less weight and loads and loads and loads of tech on it. Feels like you're cheating when you ride it, the amount of stuff you can do on it. So let's get into it, see why this is a bit of a benchmark, why it keeps winning things like the TT and stuff like that. And yeah, have a good look around it, see what you think of it, see if you can guess some mileage on it. And if you've got any comments on your preferred Superbike, drop them down below. And if you want to see other videos, we always have videos coming up and we've got loads and loads and loads in the collection. So drop on there and have a look. Any comments, always appreciated. So let's start at the front. Let's get back round there and have a look at the bike. We'll start it up and let you hear it run as well. So you can hear the bike, we'll let it rev up and everything else. So you know exactly what you're getting. Not really a technical how-to video or anything like that. We'll give you some specs and bits and pieces, but all the good stuff will be in the description down below or in the description on Tinterweb, where we will be selling the bike. And if you're looking at it in 10 years' time, that description probably isn't there. So let's have a look without further ado. So first off, number one, the colour. Yep, M Sport colours, really suits the bike. And it's instantly recognisable as the absolute machine and weapon that it is. So, black tinted screen, coming around the front here. This bike's just had the one owner as well. We aren't looking at loads of chips or anything like that. We're looking at a really nice bike. He's looked after it really well. And as we come down here, how well is this camera going to pick this up? We have got carbon wheels. You see those? Yeah, we've got the light running with that. So we've got carbon wheels on this. Set of Pirelli Rosso 4s on here, Diablo Rosso 4s. We've got Mazzocchi suspension on the front. BMW did their own calipers at this point. We've got braided hoses. This one also, being the M Sport, you've got a lithium battery and a stronger chain as well. So as we move around, what we got? Look at that, even exhaust and everything is looking really tidy. Yeah, look at it. Really nice bike. And again, that carbon weave in the back wheel, looking stunning. So the engine that we were pointing the camera at there, inline-four, it's got BMW ShiftCams in there as well, and it knocks out 205 brake horsepower. Yep, that's true. 205, that's ridiculous. That would frighten you to absolute death, I reckon. Well, it would me anyway. That says there, light ride carbon in there. You've got electric suspension on this, have you? Yes, you have got electric suspension. I had to think there for a second. Had a little bit of brain fade. Told you with no edits. So 205 brake horsepower at 13,000 revs. That is nuts. 83 foot-pound of torque. You are not going to be feeling that you're left wanting or anything like that. Weighs about 193 kilos, so you can work out all those good things from there. It's limited to 185 mile an hour. I'm sure you boys, some of you boys who like to ride these kind of things probably get remaps and stuff like that to take that limiter off. Why? Because at 185 mile an hour, that's probably just about quick enough, isn't it? You get an M chassis kit on these as well. Part of the sport package, it's the chassis kit. You've got quick shifters, lightweight gear shifter there, and obviously you can swap that over if you like to go race setup for your gears. So you go in, instead of 1 down 5 up, it's 1 up 5 down. That all you've got to do is move that from there to that position, and that's how you achieve that. Looking at the conditioning, the rear shock and everything here, all looking lovely. That is a battery tender cable, so if you've got an Optimate or something similar, that's connected straight to your battery, but make sure you get a lithium ion one because it's a special battery. Part of the package with this as well, you've got a stronger chain to go with all the other good stuff. So what else can we tell you? Well, that ShiftCam technology, that's the sort of the magic ingredient really. Varies the valve timing and stroke on the intake side, and gives you massive torque in the mid-range without sort of giving away any of that screaming top-end power. The carbon fibre wheels. Now, why would you put carbon fibre wheels on a bike? Well, that is for your unsprung mass. Now, you'd have to do a bit of science lessons for that, but basically, your unsprung mass is the stuff that's glued to the floor, is one way I look at it. So anything that stays on the floor and isn't damped by suspension, so all of that lot bounces up and down, but those wheels stay on the floor. So basically, to make the bike flick into corners easier, because it's like a gyroscopic effect on a wheel. If you imagine like a spinning top, that's what your wheel does. And with the light wheels, it makes it more flickable into corners, more like a 600 feeling than a big 1000 that's got 200 horsepower. We've got around the display here, we'll show you that when we start the bike up. You've got a TFT display on there, 6.5 inch, probably one of the best in the business to be fair still. Clear and bright, lets you know everything. There's lean angle sensors, lap timers, everything else is all built into that. Your electronics, you've got a 6-axis IMU which controls cornering ABS, dynamic traction control and wheelie control is all built in there as well. So everything we're seeing here, special to this bike. Even the M's moniker there on the seat. And this one as well, before, it's the last of the, in my eyes, you lot probably all think differently, we're all different, aren't we? But in my eyes, this is the last sort of sleek, good-looking S1000R. Before they put great big winglets on them, which, let's be fair, we're only going to knock them off when we're in the garage, aren't we? And I don't mean fake them, I mean we're going to knock them off, aren't we? We're going to walk past it with our leathers or a jacket, catch one, rip it off. Look at it, just look at it. I think that looks fast stood still. I really, really do. If there's any particular parts of the bike you need us to video or anything or picture to you, look, some tank grips there, let us know. We try and get everything in here, but like I say, it's no edit. I'll miss stuff out, of course I will. I'm human. Your rider modes, heated grips as well on a sports bike, wonderful. And you've got an SOS button on here as well, so if you do happen to be going in the wrong direction, you've got a button to press. Cruise control as well. You've got obviously those rider modes, I was just mentioning on there. On one of these, you've got, you're locked into presets and you've got race and one thing and another, but you can individually map these as well. Basically, scrolling through that TFT screen, which we're going to light up in a minute with that scroll wheel. I'm not saying I can do any more or show you any of all these things. It's definitely going to be something that you're going to be reading the book for or getting on YouTube, and somebody far cleverer than me, far more into these, will show you how to work those, I'm sure. And this year as well, this year got the nicer front headlights, didn't it? So, and then down there's an air duct, if I remember rightly. And that air duct, it's like gives you ram air, that kind of thing. Ah, that's right as well. I'm just remembering as well. You've got an adjustable pivot on the rear swing arm on these. So you can adjust the pivot point and the rear ride height. And it's something that was developed for World Superbike, and it's on these M Sport packages. But if you, unless you're some sort of track lunatic, won't say lunatic, a track rider, yes, that's what you are, then you probably aren't going to be fiddling with that, but it's got it. Look at it. Heated grips on a sports bike, you can't believe it, can you? But if you get on this to go to work at 7 o'clock in the morning, you're going to want them. Here we've got a nice tail tidy as well, just to finish it off. It's just ace. Just ace. So, that is the bike. We've done 10 minutes of rambling on now. Just look at that. That's because I'm in awe of the thing and I keep looking at it and pointing some more and everything else. I'm trying to get it in all nooks and crannies so your eyes get to see everything, you know, as if you was here stood in front of it. Because if you have a part exchange or something like that, let's go through what we can do for you on the bike. So if you've got a part exchange, pop there. My mucky mitt's been working this morning. Pop there. There's a part exchange form on there, and that will get me all the details I need. May need videos of your car, bike, boat, whatever. After that, if you need some finance, keep hold of that number that I just showed you, or pop to the website, realtoyshop.co.uk, and give us a call and we'll talk you through the finance options. No problem at all. So that's part X, that's finance. Now we get on to delivery, which we will deliver this bike anywhere, mainland UK, for absolutely nothing. That's what we do. My happy smiling face will be coming to see you and delivering this bike. Unless you are in some crazy far-flung place that's miles away from us and there's just the one bike to take, then I would probably employ our dedicated motorcycle courier. Yep, so there we go. That's the bike, that's what we can do for you. I know what you're thinking, let's have a listen. So come on, without further ado, let's fire it up. Anyone guess the miles? I'm probably not, I don't think. Let's go and have a look. Whoa, but before we do that, ask your missus first. If you need permission, your mother, your brother, your daddy, your lover, get them asked, then give us a call and we'll talk you through everything we've got with this bike. No problem at all. But as I said, there'll be more in the description on the advert on Tinterweb. So come on, let's have a look. That light's on there, a bit rubbish, isn't it? Here we go, that's better. So, there you go. Who guessed 21,974 miles? I'm guessing nobody. So, let's get it started. Let's have a listen. Any second now, she'll cool down a little. Cool down. What am I on about? Warm up a bit and come off choke. We've had a run in, get her warmed up properly, but it does take a second after starting just to get everything going round, and here you go, you'll start to see revs will start dropping and she'll settle into her happy idle. Why have we got an ABS light on that? Well, because 5 miles an hour or 5 revolutions of the wheel, you know how it works. Have a look through there, see if we can find anything in here. So you can go through your My Vehicle, look at all these bits and pieces. Get that light out of the way. And then you can see the temperature of the engine, the range, the battery, all that good stuff. Here we go, onboard computer, so you can see how the bike's been ridden. 39.7 miles to the gallon, and I suggest that's really good, and it's not been flying about like a nutcase. Tyre pressures, you won't see them until obviously the bike rolls as well and it can pick up. There you go, service requirement, appointment in 2027 at 6,200 miles. So, kind of long been done. Which probably doesn't coincide with the book, to be fair, but anyway, give us a call, we can go through that, no problem. I'm just working out how I work this computer now. Here we go. So then we go that way, sport, let's go in that menu. Oh yes. Oh yeah, you got navigation, I forgot about that. So your navigation and your media. So if you've got your Bluetooth hooked up to this, you can actually control it from your scroll wheel and everything on this side. So it's a case of getting the app on your phone and then it'll actually show you your navigation directions from your phone. So now we've definitely warmed up, we're definitely happy. I don't know if I can stick that down there, make it look at the exhaust, just for giggles. I then come round this side and oh yes, that sounds very, very, very impressive. That data tool there, I'm not sure which one that is. We'll have a look, but we'll put that in the description of the bike again when the bike is advertised. So that's your bike. S1000RR M Sport. Carbon wheels, lightweight battery, stronger chain package, lots of trick stuff. I'm sure Google will be your friend with all the specifications that I've made a clod of myself and missed out in this no edit video. Thank you all for watching. Now you need it in your shed, don't you? So number one, yep, get the Part X form filled in if you need that. Number two, if you need some finance, give us a call, we'll talk you through it. Number three, let's get it paid for, get it in a van, get it to you as quick as we can. Can't say fairer. Like I mentioned earlier, loads of other videos. We really appreciate you all watching them all. It helps us grow our little channel. YouTube thinks you might like that one or that playlist. Look at my mucky mitts. But that one there, that's the button. If you've seen anything you like, just hit it. And stay tuned, because there'll be more videos as well coming. We've got loads more bikes coming, so keep in touch. See you later. Don't forget, ask your missus first.